To find a journal article in the library collections, go to the Library and Learning Centre My Surrey pages, scroll down to the library search and put in relevant terms for your topic and click on the magnifying glass to search. Click on Sign In to get access to full results and all of the access options. Using the filters on the right hand side, you can select articles from the resource type section. This will exclude anything else that is not an article from your search. To view any of these options, click on the Available Online link, and this will take you to any of the options that you have to view the article online. This should show you the full text of the article, and you have the options to download a PDF to your PC using the Download PDF function. Remember that every database may look slightly different, so you should look out for different wording to access the full text. This could include things like full text access, download PDF, HTML full text, and a range of other terms that mean something quite similar.